take and clean that bone off. I've got that. It's getting there. And then your dry preservative will take care of the rest. You can hear me working on that bone. So anyway, that's the way you should look. You got the bone here, and very little meat on it. Just like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this other side. We'll do the same thing. We're going to go right up that arm, like so. And you can go all the way around there. Go all the way up to the humerus too if you want. You don't have to. But I did there. You take that meat right out of there. It's just very simple to do. Just skin her back. A lot of times, what you want to do is just get it so you get a little purchase on that. And, you can see I'm getting it. It's just going to take a little bit. We got it. Go to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. Got a little meat on there. We'll take care of that when we flush it. And that'll be when you're getting ready to do your final bird. Preparing your bird for mounting. I'll do my final flushing then. That way I can go ahead and get the skin all cleaned up and everything is ready to go. Now we're going to get in here. Head there a little bit. There we go. Wings are hard to do. I'm not going to kid you. Probably the hardest part of doing a bird is the wings, getting the wings out. We got that meat pretty well off the bone. What I'll do is, I've got this meat right here on the skin. Get it off the bone first. Get the tendons loose. Then you can just take and scrape that meat a little bit and it'll come right off there. See that? And if you want to really make it easier to work with, what you can do is put some borax on this while you're doing it. The meat won't stick to your hands or anything, but I just want to make sure that we got this so you can see it. You start putting borax on there, you start hiding everything. Everything turns white. I want to get this meat out of here. There's a few pellet holes in this one. Don't let a broken wing scare you. You can always fix that. Fix a lot of broken wings. Not every bird is perfect when they come in. A lot of people want a perfect bird. People working on them like taxidermists. It's hard to get one, you know. You shoot the wings or whatever. What can you do? You still want that bird mounted. I don't turn away work. I'll fix anything. You start turning away work, that's where your people start going to other people. I do a lot of bird work because most people around this area don't do birds. Or everybody wants to specialize in deer now. And to me that's boring. I mean, yeah, I like doing deer, but I like to do more than one thing. I don't want to specialize in just deer. Right? You see how I've done that? I've kind of peeled that away. Got at that meat right here. Cutting it loose. Cutting it loose. Anyway, I'm going to come back for that. what I want to do is show you the head now. What we're going to do, you can use an artificial head or the real head. I prefer using the real head and beak on a pheasant. What you do is you peel this, get this back like so, where the neck goes up in there. Just keep pulling that loose. You've got the craw, and that's kind of what I'm pulling loose now. Got to be kind of careful on that. You get up around this end of the bird, it can be, you don't want to be rough with them. You got to be steady and gentle. Okay. You see where he was shot in the neck here. And as you're going up, if you run into any tough stuff, go ahead and cut it loose, like so. So what I'll do is I'll get myself a paper towel, and you wrap that around the neck, around the meat, and it kind of sticks. And you just kind of pull that gently.